In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to edit pictures like this with your business name on it. And for this, we are going to be using the Bing Image Creator. So if you don't have an account on Bing already, there's a link in the description of this video you are currently watching on how to sign up and create an account on Bing. There's also a link to a playlist where I explain how to make use of some AI tools for more productivity, like creating image, changing text to speech, image to video, and all that. You should check it out. Let's get started. So go to your preferred browser. I'm going to be making use of Google Chrome. Then search for Bing Image Creator. So once you search for Bing Image Creator, it's going to be the first one on your screen. This, and even if it's not the first one, when you see www.bing.com, then you know it's the one. So they also have an app. You can choose to download the app, but I think I prefer using the website. So go to Bing Image Creator. If you are not signed in already, it's not going to bring surprise me here. It's going to bring join in and try or something along that line. So because I'm signed into my account, that's why you see surprise me there. Now the next thing is to paste your prompts. What I dropped here is that it should create a 4K hyper-realistic photo of a mall with few people buying things with these words, "Happy Mall," written on a banner in the mall. So you can choose to customize it the way you want. If it's not the photo of a mall you want, anything you want, maybe it's the photo of someone in a shop. Just think about it. Anything your business is about, you can change it to it. I also said with people buying things with these words, "Happy Mall," written on a banner in the mall. And you tap on create. As soon as you tap on create, it's going to bring out it's going to start generating the picture for you, and it has just finished creating it. So this is what it's created for us, and as you can see here, it looks really pretty. So to customize this more, let's say you're an African, you should just say create a realistic photo of an African mall. So when you indicate it's an African mall, it's not going to generate white people for you. The reason why I'm saying this is that you might want to use it to advertise your business and you are trying to relate with people in your area. So you need to customize it. You can even say if it's in your locality, you can say Yoruba people, Igbo people, Hausa people, Chinese people, anything, so that it will bring picture that looks like the people in that geographical area. So if you like what it's created for you, just tap on the three dots at the right hand side of your screen here, then you tap on download. So it's going to generate 4 different pictures for you. You can select any one you want. I think this one is a bit beautiful. This one is beautiful. I love the Happy Mall that is written here. Then this. You can this is really beautiful. You can download anyone you want. Let me quickly show you something else. I just pasted another script right now. I said 4K realistic photo of a Yoruba fashion designer in a luxurious tailoring shop. There is industrial machine in a shop. She is looking happy while sewing, and 2 apprentices are standing behind her to learn. In the background, there are colorful dresses she has designed. Joy Culture is written on a banner in the shop. Then I put realistic, colorful, professional. So whenever you want to try to create image, just think of what you can put. The things you want to be included in the picture, add it to the prompt you are giving the Bing Image Creator and watch it create magic for you. Now I'm going to tap on create and let's see what this is going to generate for us. I'm sure it is going to be superb. And our photos are ready. Okay, this is beautiful. So you just tap on anyone there, allow it to load out your pictures so you can select the one you will download. Now look at this. This is really beautiful. So I'm just going to tap on the 3 dots at the right hand side of my screen as usual to download it. Then when I tap on download, it's going to download to my phone. Let's see the next one. This one also is beautiful, but our apprentices are looking like the madam. So let me just go to the next. Okay, I love this one. Like, this is really, really beautiful. So can you see? You can easily use this as your profile picture, or you can use it to advertise your business. So try it out today. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next.